Hey, welcome. Mike McMillan here. How are you? Well, today what we'll talk about is, okay, so you've got an autoresponder account. I happen to use Aweber, maybe use GetResponse or, MailChimp or something like that. And you've got an email list and you send emails out to your customer list, to your subscribers regularly. Okay, well, good for you. I do too. Okay, now the big thing is looking at Gmail, because in my own case, and you're probably very similar to this, about 40 to 41% of all of my email subscribers subscribe to my list using a Gmail account. That's a huge, huge number. Second place was Yahoo, and then, all the others. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that when you send an email out to your list, that it ends up in the inbox of people that have Gmail accounts. Because if it doesn't, it probably won't get read. Okay? If it goes into the promotions folder, and it's easy for that to happen, I'm not going to say very few, but few people are going to read the emails that go into their promotions folder. You've got to hit their inbox. Okay, that's extremely important. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Hey, this is Mike. Really quick, there's a link in the description below this video that will let you download my free 24-page ebook called Higher YouTube Rankings. It'll show you how to take any one of your videos or all your videos and get higher listings in the YouTube search results, which will then get you more views.
Okay, I'm going to show you 5 things that you can do. Number 1, make sure that you have a reputable email service provider, meaning an autoresponder account, a reliable, well-known, with a good reputation autoresponder account. I happen to use Aweber, and I love them. Okay, I've used them for 10 or 15 years.
Let me show you exactly what I mean. Here's a recent email that I sent out to one of my lists through my Aweber account, and I sent a test email right there. I emailed it to myself, to one of my Gmail accounts. Let's look and see. This is real time. Bang, right there. See how I came up in the primary tab, not the promotions tab? This is exactly what we want to have happen.
Remember, Gmail is like a gatekeeper. Okay, it sorts things. It sorts emails that you try to send to people that have Gmail accounts. Should it be a promotion? Should it be spam? Should it be a social folder thing? Should it go into your promotions folder? Just where should it go? So you got to keep that gatekeeper happy. And the more links that you put in your emails, I recommend you only put one link, one hyperlink in each email you send out. The more links you put in, the worse it looks to Gmail. The more likely it's going to go into a promotions folder rather than the inbox. And I see this constantly. If I go through my promotions folder and I look at who's in there, they got 5, 7, 10 links in there, like to Amazon products or, affiliate links or things like that. So keep the number of links to a bare minimum, 1, maybe 2, but no more than that. That can make a huge difference. Another thing is the number of images you put in there, because a lot of spammy emails, emails that are classified as spam, a lot of times they have a lot of images in there. And the fewer images you put in your emails, the better off you're going to be. I would say maybe 1, but some of these emails that if you check your spam folder, they'll have 5 or 10 images of things in there, and that's not good. Okay, it's not. That'll help you get in the spam or the promotions folder. So just keep that in mind. Okay, another thing is don't use bad words in your email, okay? I'm not talking about swear words or cuss words or, things like that. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about words, if you use words like if you use dollar symbols, okay, or make $1 million, or get rich quick, or multi-level marketing, or anything like that that implies, money, investments, even sometimes things like health and things like that. You got to be very careful, because the more of those words that you put in your emails, the more likely it is that they will be put in a spam folder or a promotions folder, not in the inbox. I've got some examples here that you can look at, but there are many more. It's common sense. Don't make your email sound like it's a get rich quick thing, okay? Because if you do, you're not going to make the inbox, all right? And then one final thing is, if you use, say, Aweber, and a lot of autoresponder services have this, have a thing called Spam Assassin, okay? and they plug that into their, autoresponder providers, put it into their service. And you can click an email before you send it and check your spam score. And Spam Assassin will say if the score is less than 5, it's good to go. Mine are always 0 or 1. Okay, I've never had a 3, 4, 5 or anything like that, but check it, because if you're getting 4, 5, 6, something like that in Spam Assassin, you got a problem. You got too much junk in your email, and you may hit the spam folder, and that's not good. So just keep that in mind. If you can use Spam Assassin, okay. I've had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you can use the ideas that I gave you to really increase the open rates on the emails, because that means if you're promoting your own products or affiliate products, more people that open, the more money you make. Okay, so keep these things in mind. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll do my best to answer them. So very best wishes for tremendous success with all you do online. Okay,